Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-ay. Oh my, what a wonderful day. Well, hello. We'll have a quick look at the euro dollar. And it's very early morning, something that I don't normally do, because I don't like to trade early morning. Let's roll the intro and I'll show you. And a warm welcome to one and all. Those of you who have not seen me before, my name is Langers, and I am the vocal talent that is absolutely knackered scruffy trader. It's very early morning, and I'm going to fire the screens up and place an order for euro dollar. Reason being, it had a colossal sell-off on Friday, and I think it's primed. So let me pull my screens on. And I shall, talking of pulling things on. Shouldn't you have some clothes on?
Is that possible?
Bloody hell. Hot eyes arm will burst. Actually, mine might burst not. Wait. You dirty old man. Chances of a flash? No?
No.
Right.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Worth the shot. I'll get one later though. Sorry. Anyway. It's Monday morning. I've had a great weekend. I have actually. I was absolutely battered on Saturday. Had a good go at it yesterday as well, actually. Barbecue.
Matron, take them away.
Oh, well, you've got to enjoy yourself. You really do. Anyway, as I was saying, it's early morning. It's before the open. Let me just flick this over. And you'll see that has dropped in superb. It is now rattling along this level. Now, I have already done a morning call. If you bear with me, I shall show you. What this is it's a Discord group that I run. Now, in this morning watch here, which posted at 7:10 this morning, I told the guys exactly what it is I'm going to be doing with this. So that was called out well in advance. And I did a live stream yesterday where, again, I told them that this is something I would look at in the Discord group. So this was called out yesterday, and it's coming into play right now. So let me just move this down. As you can see, as you go down into a 5-minute chart, it doesn't half rev up. So I'm going to put in my orders just above here, like so. And I'm going to put a number of orders in because I think this is going to pop. And I'm going to work on it throughout the day. And why am I doing this? Well, the reason being is I am pretty confident with it. And it's all based off the drive that I've just shown you. Now, if you give me a second, I just want to tidy this up a touch. Just take this back out to the hour just so you can see it. I'll kind of explain what's going on. Okay, whenever you see a strong directional move like this, it can't continue. Now, if I pull this back over and show you on here, now on the strength, the euro and the US are pretty close together as a strength. So that means they are range bound. So whatever move was going on, it has slowed down. And they're going to stay put. So you now look down here, that has had a colossal change and this has moved away. So that explained that expansion. All right, so I'm quite happy with that. So it's the strength side of it is telling me it's slowed down. The change of strength is showing me the expansion. Now what I need to do is figure out whether it's time to get into the trade, which is what you've just seen me do. And the reason being is very, very simple. It is a strong level, which is this here. And then all I've done is I have put an order there. There we are, they're going in now. I've got a couple of orders to get into here, and then I've got it running. Now throughout the day, this might well move up, move down, move up, move down before it finally goes up to its final destination, which is up at the top. And the Aryan places are relevant because I use zones, and they're roughly in the zone where I want to be. And the idea of this trade is quite simple. Get in, get paid, get out. But because of this move here, I don't want to bounce it. I don't want to over-egg what I'm doing. I think the move is exhausted. That is shown with this section here. And I'm looking for it to break and retrace back up. There is a roadblock here, which I want to be a little bit careful of. But I do think it'll take out the first three orders reasonably well because they run up into this black line. And then the runner, well, we'll see what we get with the runner. So let me run this out. I'm also trading it exactly the same on this, which is the 5%ers account. It's exactly the same. And that's what I've been doing. And if you are following me with the 5%ers, all I've been doing with that account, pull it up and I'll show you, is mirror my normal day trading. So whatever I do is a day trade. If you want to kind of try and work out what my wages are, it's kind of mirrored over on this.
No way.
There we go. So you can see it's my name. I've got a very good equity curve. It is moving up. It's had 41 trading days because I don't actually trade every day on this, with it being a small drawdown. Because for all it has a 13,000 balance on it, I work on the drawdown as if that's my balance. Simply because I'll put too much strain on the account if I don't. That is the equity curve. Very pleased with it. I know exactly what those two blips are, and I've explained that in other videos. The bit to pay attention to whenever you look at a platform like this is your profit factor. As long as your profit setting is greater than 1, you are profitable. I'm at 3.35, so I'm 3 times more than I need to be. But if you look at my pip counts, they are pretty high. I've done a colossal amount of pips in those 41 days. The reason why it's high is because I'm playing with pennies, literally pennies. It's like 20p a position, and just been carving it away. And I'm holding up my win rate of 88%. So I am quite pleased with this. So just shift that over there, out the way. This is now moving into profit nicely. Hopefully it'll be done relatively quickly. But if not, just let it play out throughout the day. So I'll leave the camera running and let you watch it, and happy days. Okay guys, kind of gonna call it a night because well, it's kind of chugging away. It's risk free, so I can't lose on this trade. It's already paid me quite well, and I still think it's going to move reasonably far up. If I just drop it on an hour, I'll show you. As you can see, it's dropped down. It's kind of stalling at this level. I have a couple of orders in. There's another one there, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move that up to the top of that, just on the bridge of this. So it's one in the mid, one up there. Why have I done that? Because if they lose, I'm not bothered. I've been paid very well today, and these are both on a trailing stop. And if you don't know what a trailing stop is, it just means it'll automatically move the stop behind the price, so I don't have to sit in front of the screen. So how much has this paid me today? Just by basic trade management. There you go, £356. It's not bad. And at the same time, I've been trading the exact same setup on the 5%ers. It's running. There's a few little bit of dip down behind, but it's not a major issue because it's just on this section here, but I'm expecting that to push up, and it's paid me quite well today as well, 32. So that's just off pennies, and all I've been doing is replicating what I'm doing here over there. Simple stuff. This 5% is I'm carving it a little bit more aggressively than I am with my wages, but the principle and the trades are identical, and that's about it really. So happy days. Summary for today is really just pick your market and then manage it, and that's one of my key principles. I don't chase different markets. I'll zone in on just one, and I'll stick to it, and I'll kind of work within the framework that I've chosen. It helps with my mindset because I'm not getting stressed in trying to watch multiple screens all the time or multiple sort of positions at the time. I do have multiple positions running in the background for swing trades, but I only look at them pretty much once a day at 8 o'clock at night, and it's 2 minutes. Just, yeah, it's fine. Switch it off. But when I'm day trading, I like to concentrate on a single market, because you've often heard me say I only trade once or twice a day, and that's all I need. If I can get one solid setup and then manage the trade, it'll pay me, and ultimately that's all I'm here for. So I hope that kind of made sense what you've seen today. The videos are really for consistency, and it might spark a little light bulb moment for you as well. But if you're stuck, by all means contact me. I'll always help you with your trading, and if you want to see my trading and how I do it, check out the Scruffy Squad. Those guys say exactly what I do on a day-to-day basis. So as always, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.